made it to our Airbnb and we're gonna go for a swim.
Is the door heavy? Ooh.
Yeah, a bit heavy. Damn. Ooh. The pool only goes up to 5 feet, but it's huge. I guess people are gonna learn how to swim today. It's really nice. It's really clear.
Here, I'll get you jumping in.
No, it says no jumping.
It's like a little diving. A little jump.
Can someone do it with me?
I'll do it with you.
Okay,
It'll take a while.
I gotta wait for Nikki then. You guys ready?
3, 2.
Wait, I don't want to break my leg.
Let's do a little scoot.
Okay.
We would have broken our legs, bro. I know.
Wait, why does it feel kind of deep?
Our hike and we're hiking the Narrows. We're gonna be in the water and they said that it was gonna be waist height. It's super cold, like the sun doesn't even come into the canyon yet. We're going into the Narrows now. Ow, my feet hurt. My feet are hurting from the rocks.
It's actually so cold.
You gotta acclimate. It's okay. Not bad. A bit slippery though. It's now at calf height. It's really beautiful. The water's still cold though. And it's not that high for you to be doing that. Currently 8:55. I don't know what time it is. This is how high the water is.
Bruh.
It's cold. No, not really.
Oh my god. Susan, you might need to carry it around.
Oh.
Don't pee, guys.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's not that bad.
Oh my god. It's pretty bad.
Where's it at now, Britt?
And I'm tippy-toeing.
I'm tippy-toeing right now.
Oh my god, it's hitting my stomach.
Everybody just jump.
I think we're coming back up. Let's go. Susan.
Sorry.
No, I'm just laughing at you. Good job, guys.
We made it, guys. Now we're gonna go to where everybody takes the beautiful photos. Yay! Dude, that was like an ice plunge.
I know.
Oh my god. Okay, it wasn't that bad actually. Yeah. Survived the deep part and we took a bunch of photos. Now we're heading back so we could go on our second hike. There's a little waterfall right there if you guys can see. That's right there. And coming down. Walking through the deep end was a bit scary because it was so cold and so deep, but it wasn't that bad actually, and I don't feel that cold. And you ready?
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up.
Let's go.
Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember days on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now
We made it to the view and we see 4 big mountains. They're really nice. We went up this incline. Doesn't look bad on camera, but it was kind of bad. Now we're taking pictures and just enjoying the view. Photos don't do it justice.
Guys, look at this. An alien has one.
You should have told me. Bro, I took this pic.
And it's coming for you.
Oh, is it worth it? Is there a pretty view at the end?
Yes, very.
Okay.
Alright, let's just go. This hike definitely lives up to its name. It's hot and we're walking more. I don't know why. How you feeling, Susan?
I'm okay.
We finally made it back to the lodge. first hike of the day, and it is Weeping Rock. Excited for this one. It is a bit chilly today.
That's it. Wow. All right, let's go home. Let's go home.
We're going on the West Rim Trail now, our second hike of the day. Hopefully we survive. It's level strenuous.
How did you guys? Oh my gosh. It's noses. Thank you. I see the nose moving.
Oh my god, it's like right
I see the nose moving. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
He's staring right at us.
Oh my gosh.
Eating my sandwich now. We didn't go all the way up because we had to find Angie because she had to go down earlier because she needed to poop really bad. It's a hot pot poops, but we went down and now we're chilling. I'm gonna eat my sandwich now. We got Hawaiian bread for this, so I think it'll be better than yesterday.
It's really good. The camera get me scratching my ear.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Let me wash my hands real quick. Wow. It is hot.
Oh yeah. Maybe you should let it sit a bit.
Ooh.
Let's get it.
Jam. Where is it from?
It's good.
Thank you. Thanks, Jam.
I'm starting to feel away. Knew we were not strings attached. Maybe we could take that back.
So new. See you guys. Alright.
Wait. Oh, I thought you were gonna jump in. Bro, why is your reinforcement so huge?
It's like clean operation.
Yeah, bring it to the Three Sisters.
Three Sister Mountain. Yeah.
Really? That's what they're called?
Yeah. Yeah, but it seems like it'll be called that.